Okay, I get tens of comments like this every day saying that if Airbnb or short-term rental is so successful, it makes you so much money, then why don't owners do it themselves? Why is rental arbitrage even a thing when owners can run Airbnb themselves and make much more money? देखो, simple सी बात ये है कि every one of us has just 24 hours in a day, right? And each one of us can just do some certain things in a day, right? Now, people who are buying a property, especially for investment, they have other to do. They are not going to invest all their time running a business. And yes, it takes a lot of time. You have to answer to guests, you have to ensure that your property is in a good shape, you have to coordinate with the staff. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. प्लस सेकेंड पॉइंट, रनिंग शॉर्ट टर्म रेंटल रिक्वायर्स सर्टन स्किल्स दैट नॉट एवरीवन possesses. You need to understand pricing strategies, you need to understand market conditions to get the best rates and maximize your occupancy and revenue in a month. Not every owner understands that. And lastly, running this business is not an easy task. There are compliances to be followed, there are legal procedures to be followed. Some guests might cause an emergency that your presence might be required on the ground at an urgent basis. So all of these things are headaches that not all people want to get involved in, right? But everybody loves money, that is a given. So short-term rental does give a higher yield, and therefore people want to maximize on that. Owners want to maximize on that. A property manager is the solution to all these headaches. Therefore, people are keen to go for other managers to run Airbnb on their properties while they are benefiting from the higher yields with the higher rent. I hope now you understand. You need to just position your business better. Hope this is clear. Hope this reel helps. Ciao.